Students, like I explained on slide 5, with the interaction of story elements writing chart, there will be a breakdown of each learner level and an example of what the writing looks like. Keep in mind that by the end of this activity, you should be able to write at the distinguished learner level. On this slide, there is an example of the beginning learner level writing. In the beginning learner level, a student can talk about the basic story elements and identify them. A student can include basic information about the story elements. With that being said, a student then really doesn't analyze the story elements, but rather lists them. The example reads, Scrooge is the protagonist of A Christmas Carol. The major conflict in the play is that Scrooge is greedy, unkind, and uncaring. The theme is charity, mercy, and forgiveness, which brings joy to both the giver and receiver. Keep in mind that the question asks, how do Odin's actions help develop the theme? So you have to think of all the story elements included with Odin's actions and how it develops the theme. Okay, as we see in this example with Scrooge, this student just listed the theme but didn't explain any of Scrooge's actions and how and why they developed the theme. So this right here would be considered a beginning learner level because this student just identifies that Scrooge is the protagonist and the student just identified what Scrooge is like, but didn't explain why or how Scrooge did anything and how that further led to the development of the theme.